What's up? I'm back to show you all how you can run your own digital stream deck. So I'll get straight to the point. I'm going to use software called Touch Portal, and I'm on Linux, Fedora, KDE. First thing you want to do is go to touch-portal.com, and you can just go to downloads, and you can download this for your system, Windows, Mac OS, and here's Linux down here. So important to note, there's a host, which is going to run on your computer, and then there is a client, which is going to run on a different device. So for Linux, you can download this. You can see it's an AppImage, so I've downloaded that. It's just an AppImage file, so I can open this, and here's my Touch Portal. So with Touch Portal, you can configure all of these buttons as you want them. I took the OBS free page on their website and I just added some icons from an icon pack and changed it up a little bit. But this controls OBS on my computer. So if you do want to use one of their pre-made pages, you can go to downloads, pages, and there's a very big selection of pre-made pages for Touch Portal that you can control apps with or have pre-made layouts. Next thing is you want to download the client on your phone. So I plugged in my phone here, Touch Portal, and you can get that from the Play Store. When you open that up, you can go to the gear icon, setup wizard, and go through the setup to set up your device with Touch Portal host on your machine. Then with Touch Portal running on your device, the client, fully control OBS. So let me show you. For example, through my phone that's lying on my desk right now, I can mute that mic. I can change the scene and do various other things. And you can see I'm recording. I put a button here for vertical captures, backtracks, and yeah, enjoy. I hope you found this useful, guys. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more. It helps a lot, all of the likes. So yeah, have a good day. Be blessed.